So already you have covered 2 chapters of Excel in PT1. So 7th class, we are proceeding with some advanced features of Excel. The first concept is sorting. What is sorting? Sorting means to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, right? To arrange the data in ascending or descending order, right? Suppose I have some data here, 200, 150, 75, 300, 23, 80, and 120, right? This is the series of numbers, and consider this series as the data, right? How to implement the sorting? There are two ways. There are two ways. I will explain you both the ways. Whichever you find easy, go with that. First of all, select your data which you want to sort. Click on the data tab. Under the sort and filter group, see this button where my mouse pointer is pointing. The button name is sort smallest to largest. The button name is sort smallest to largest. Click on that. See the change. See the change on the screen. The number which is very small comes first. The number which is very big comes at the end. So this is ascending order sorting. I just make it bold so that it is more visible to you. Right? And I increase the size also. I make it colorful. Now it is visible more clearly. So this we have done sorting in ascending. I repeat the steps. Don't cram. Try to understand it. Okay? Bete, select the data. Click on data tab. Under sort and filter group, click on smallest sort smallest to largest button. Now, if you want to arrange in descending order, see this button, sort largest to smallest. This will help you in arranging the data in descending order. See the change. The highest number is first, and at the last we have the lowest number. Right? Am I clear to all? So this is one method to arrange the data in ascending or descending. Clear? Now, another method. Select the data which you want to sort. Click on the data tab. Can you see this button, sort button? Click on this sort button. Sort dialog box will appear. You have to click on the column on the basis of which you want to do sorting. On whichever column you want to do the sorting, select that column. Sort on values. Come in the order box, either ascending smallest to largest, either descending largest to smallest. I am going with smallest to largest, and OK. See the change. Am I clear up till here? Sorting concept is totally clear to all of you. Any doubt? Bani, bete, am I audible? All right. So our next concept is filtering of data. Our next concept is filtering of data. Now, what is filtration? Filtration means we are displaying only the relevant data which satisfies our condition, and we will be hiding the unwanted data. I give one very live example to you. You are sitting in the classroom and your teacher says, all those students submit your notebook whose roll number is starting from 20 till 28. अब यहां पर टीचर आपको कंडीशन दे रहे हैं कि 20 से लेके 28 रोल नंबर तक जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपनी नोटबुक सबमिट करो. नाउ थिंक एंड टेल मी, will entire class submit the notebook? No, only those students who satisfies the condition. And what is the condition? From 20 roll number to 28 roll number, only those students will submit the notebook. Rest of the students will not submit their notebook because they are not clearing the condition. They are not coming in that category of roll numbers. Am I clear? This is filtering. Filter means to display only that data which satisfies, which fulfills your condition, and hiding the rest of the data. There are two types of filters: auto filter, advanced filter. Auto filter and advanced filter. So let us study first of all what is auto filter. I am typing one data here: roll number, name, English, maths, science, and total. Right? So this is the data which I have typed. Right? And roll numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name A, B, 2. Name is A, B, C, D, and E. These are the 5 students. Now their marks: 90, 80, 65, 70, 95. Then maths: 85, 88, 90, 100, 45. Then science: 97, 88, not 88, let us take 78, 60, 50, and 90. Right? Am I clear? So let us find the total. You know the formula to find the total of the numbers. The formula, see the address of English marks of student A. जिस सेल पे मैंने क्लिक किया ना, उस सेल का एड्रेस देखो, D3 प्लस E3 प्लस F3, right? And press the enter key. So total is 272. Now click here, a black plus sign will come. दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑटोफिल हैंडल। आप जब सेल के कॉर्नर में जाओगे तो ब्लैक कलर का ऑटोफिल हैंडल आएगा, क्लिक एंड ड्रैग इट, automatically the total of other students will also come. Got it? I just make it bold and I change the color of this. I increase the size. Yeah. Okay. Now let us start the concept of filter. In order to use filter, first of all, I am going with the auto filter. Select the cells on the basis of which you want filtration. Click on the data tab, right? In the sort and filter group, click on this button. You can see the funnel shape icon. Can you see the funnel shape icon? This is filter button. Click on it. As you will click on this filter icon, you will see arrow will come here. You can see one arrow where I have typed the roll number and arrow has been displayed. Right? Click on this arrow. You will see all the check boxes are enabled. सभी check boxes पे tick लगा हुआ है. Whichever student roll number you want to see, keep that activate, deactivate rest of them. आप जिस स्टूडेंट का डाटा देखना चाहते हो उसका टिक मार्क रहने दीजिए, बाकी को डिसेबल कर दीजिए. You deactivate others. See, now data only of roll number 2 is visible. Other students got hidden. Other students got hidden. Clear? All of you, raise your thumb if it is clear. Bani, Krishna, Bhavya, raise your thumb if the concept is clear. Raising of thumb will also mark your attendance. Satvik Mehta, Ayushi, Mishti, no response is coming from you, bete. Raise your thumb if concept is clear. Mishti Puri, Yuvraj, Anmol. All right. Now, again, click on this. If you want to see any other student, activate it. Roll number 3 will come. Okay. Now, if you want to remove the filter, you applied filter. Now you want to remove it. Click on the clear option under the sort and filter group. Can you see this clear option? See, filter has been removed. Right? Clear? So this was auto filter. Auto filter is a filter which works on a single range of cells, on a single field. Okay. Now comes the concept of advanced filter. ये थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना, little bit technical. Okay. Advanced filter is a filter which filters the data on multiple fields, using multiple fields. Okay. And it takes into consideration a particular criteria also. एक criteria set किया जाता है, कुछ conditions set की जाती हैं. Depending upon those conditions, depending upon that criteria, the filtration of records is done. This is advanced filter, and advanced filter filters the data in the multiple fields. Okay, clear? Now how to use advanced filter? This is your data. Click anywhere here. I am clicking here. I write here English, math and science, right? I have 3 subjects, English, math, science. So anywhere in the worksheet, you type these. Now here put a condition. English में मैंने condition डाल दी more than 80. जिनके marks 80 से ज्यादा है वो. In maths, I put condition above 8, equal to above 80 here also, right? And in science, I put above equal to 90, more than equal to 90. Clear? This criteria I have set. You can say it criteria or you say it condition. I want to filter the records on the basis of these conditions. Kanishk and Krishna, please put your hand down. Lower your hand, bete. English more than 80 condition, you can place any condition. Less than 80, more than 50, less than 60, more than equal to 90, as per your convenience. Maths more than equal to 80, science more than equal to 90, right? Now, what you are to do, select your data, right? Earlier we did auto filter. Now we are going with the advanced filter. Click on data. Under sort and filter group, click on advanced button. Click on advanced button. Okay. Now when you click on advanced button, advanced filter dialog box appears. Krishna, what happened? You are attending the class. Krishna, bete, please focus on the class, bache. You are such a sweet child. What happened? Beta, please focus on the lecture, okay? You're a very good child. So, advanced filter, I told you, is the filtration done on the multiple fields, right? I quickly repeat what is to be done. First of all, type your data. Under any cell, place your conditions. Set the criteria. This is criteria. Okay? Clear? I select the data. Click on data tab. Under sort and filter group, click on advanced filter. Now here you will see 2 options, list range, criteria range. List range is the range where your data is covered. See here, I have covered the data from B2 to G7. B2 to G7. Okay. Then comes your criteria range. Criteria range is this. This is my criteria range. Okay. And click on OK. Now, as per the criteria range, criteria I told you is the condition. Criteria is the condition. I repeat again, criteria is the condition. English I place more than 80, maths more than equal to 80, science more than equal to 90. Depending upon this range, If any desired record will be there which will satisfy your condition, it will get displayed. It will get displayed. Am I clear to all? If no record is matching your criteria, nothing will be displayed. Clear? Okay, now I'll be asking you few questions. Those of you who knows the answer, just raise your thumb, come on the video and answer my question. This is revision of the concept also. That will make me know how many are attentive in the lecture. Two type of filters. Two types of filters. Bhavya, come on the video if you want to answer the question. Your face is not properly. Yeah. Yes, unmute yourself, Bhavya.
Sir, advanced and auto filter.
Very right, very good. Advanced and auto filter. All right. Next question. If you want to implement the sorting feature, which tab and which group is to be chosen? Which tab and which group is to be chosen? First of all, tell me the tab. Oh, so many hands are raised. Very good. Yes, Bani. Which tab?
Sir, data tab.
Data tab. Which group? Prerna?
And filter group.
Pardon?
Sort and filter group.
Sort and filter group. Sort and filter group. Okay. Name the type of filter which works on multiple fields. Yes, Rishita.
Advanced filter.
Rishita, answer the question. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, advanced filter.
Advanced filter. Okay. Now, moving towards the next concept is our goal seek. GOALSEEK, goal seek. This is very interesting concept. What is goal seek? Goal seek means you are fixing the result in one cell. आप एक सेल में रिजल्ट फिक्स कर देते हो कि मेरे को इतना रिजल्ट चाहिए. जैसे मैंने कहा I want 95, तो 95 is the fixed value for me. How it will be achieved? By adjusting the value in another cell. एक वैल्यू एक सेल में, जैसे ये एक सेल है, एक सेल में रिजल्ट फिक्स कर दो, and to achieve it, adjust the value in some other cell. Make adjustment of the value in other cell. This is goal seek. I type one data in front of you. Subject, marks. Subject I have English, maths, computer, science, and let us take Hindi. Okay, clear? And here is your percentage. Then marks I am taking 65, 60. I am taking 65. Then I am taking 70. Okay. Hindi मैं छोड़ रहा हूं. I am leaving the Hindi cell and let us find the average. I have left the Hindi. Hindi I am leaving blank and let us find the average equal to average function E3 colon E7. So average comes 65. Average comes 65. Okay. Am I clear? Now, let us study goal seek. I want percentage to be 70, right? मुझे बच्चे को पास होने के लिए 70% चाहिए. Now, how many marks should be placed in the Hindi subject that should increase the percentage to 70, sorry. हिंदी सेल मैंने ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया था. How many marks should be given in the Hindi subject so that percentage becomes 70? This will be achieved by the goal seek feature. Okay. Now click on the data tab. Under the data tab, you have data tools group. And see this what if analysis. Can you see this what if analysis? In the drop down of this arrow, click here and choose the goal seek option. Click the goal seek option. Right? When you will enable the goal seek option, goal seek dialog box will appear. Goal seek dialog box will appear. Now this dialog box has three options. Set cell to value by changing cell. Set cell will take that address which you want to set, where you want to set the result. मेरा result कहां पे है? E8 में. E8 में मेरा result है. मैंने वो cell को select किया, वो यहां पे set हो गया. To which value you want to set? I want to set to value 70. I want to set to value 70. Okay. By changing which cell? By changing which cell? By changing cell E7. By changing cell E7. I repeat again, there are three options in the goal seek box. Set cell to value by changing cell. In the set cell, you take the address of that cell where you want to set the result. मैंने कहा ना, I want percentage 70. So I will take this cell. How much value you want to set for the result? I want to set 70. Right? By changing which cell? By changing which cell? By changing cell. See here. Goal seek has given the result. I want percentage 70. वो आ गई. और वो कैसे आई? जब मैंने हिंदी मार्क्स 90 दिए. प्रेरणा बेटे प्लीज. Have you understood goal seek? Rishita, Krishna, Prerna. I was to adjust 70%. I need 70%, but I have not given marks in Hindi. So using goal seek, what I did, I set the limit 70. Goal seek automatically processes the data and assign 90 marks to Hindi. Now the average is 70. Okay, goal seek is clear, bete.